Hello guys, welcome to the coding mode. In the previous lecture, we saw how to, use the on-click listener on a single button, and with the help of that on-click listener, we made some changes in the button. That is, we basically change the text of the button when we click it on the runtime. In this video, suppose we have more than one button, say 1, 2, 3, 4. You won't just every time create an on-click listener, then use it for the button. It will be a very lengthy process, time consuming and obviously not efficient. So for that thing, what we will do, I'll show you a method, an efficient method in which you have to, create the on-click listener only once, and you will attach it with the buttons, with n number of buttons you want to create. So here I have 4 buttons. This is with ID 0, click me ID 1, ID 2, and for the fourth one, this is the ID. Okay, let's go for the Java code here. Let me create the button and its instances B1, B2, B3, B4. Okay, I made some mistake. Right. And I will call these buttons one by one. B1 equal to button find view by ID r dot ID dot button click me 0, and I will copy this for the rest of 3 buttons. I don't want to waste so much of your time, and this is gonna be button 2, button 3, button 4, and of course here this is click me 1. Come on, click me 2, click me 3, right? And for the on-click listener, what I will do, I will simply write the implements. We use the implement keyword when we have to implement any interface in the Java. So here I have to implement interface, that is with dot on-click listener. So there's a rule whenever you want to implement any interface, what you have to do, you have to implement its methods as well. So it's showing me that in the red pulp, implement the methods. So I will click here on the implement methods. Yeah, this is the on-click method. Okay. Yeah, the error is gone. And now I will call if v equaled my first button, that is P1, what some action should be performed. In the same way, I will copy this, paste it again for all 4 buttons, and second time if B is 2, is 3, is 4. Nothing much complicated. Yes, so instead of creating the on-click listener again and again, I chose the if condition, and I will pass here whatever you want. So I am saying if my div is the button 1 and I am clicking on the button 1, something should happen. What something? Say I just want to display any message. So for displaying the message or toast, I will use a toast.makeText, and it's the get application context, and within these codes I will write my message like you click button 1 toast dot length long dot show. Okay, let me do it here. Show. Let's copy it for all the 3 buttons again. By the way, copy paste is not an option. It's not a good option, but if you have to consider about the timing of the people, you need to do it sometime. Okay, this is you click at button 3 and you click at button 4, and the last thing here is I have to add these on-click listeners to my buttons. So b1.set on-click listener, this b2.set on-click listener, this b3.set on-click listener, this, oops, and the last one b4.set on-click listener. this. So what I did, basically, I created the 4 buttons here, gives them the ID, click me 1, click me 2, so on up to click me 3. And here I again mentioned IDs, and then I fetched the IDs of my XML in the Java code itself. And then what I did, I just simply implemented this interface onclick listener, and I implemented its method. It's an onclick method, and here in this I mentioned the 4 conditions because I have the 4 buttons. If you have 5th button, you will again use the 5th condition. If v equals v5, so on up to the end number of the buttons. And then the last thing you did, you attached this onclick listener with all 4 of your buttons, and you gave it the this keyword this, which calls the itself its own constructor. Just run this. Okay, let's wait for the results. Come on. Yes, this is my activity. Click. You click it button 1, this is the toast. You click it button 2. You click it button 3. You click it button 4. Okay, it's super duper working. Hope you like this video. Subscribe my channel for the amazing and fruitful content. Take care.